Satluj, Beas and Ravi rages across Punjab, inundating nearly 3 lakh acres of farmland, hitting around 1.25 lakhs of people in the state and killing at least 29 people.
Right here, this is Samrala Chowk in Ludhiana, and just close to this is where what you see is a massive water logging. This is leading to flooding in cities. This is really at a point of time which could result in havoc. Now, a lot of people wading through waters, key concern, but clearly what we've seen in massive cities, Jalandhar, Ludhiana, all looking at major waterlogging because of the incessant rains.
In Jalandhar city, water entered residential colonies. Citizens claimed they had approached the administration days ago, but no action was taken to clear the drains.
Look at the sort of water which has gone in. This is the living room, then this is the dining room, and this is where the water is gushed in. And clearly, this is something which could be very heartbreaking for any person who belongs here, and there's no electricity. Look at this.
ये हमने पर्सनल बुलवाए हैं पानी निकलवाने के लिए, लेकिन गवर्नमेंट की तरफ से कोई हमें हेल्प नहीं है. पूरी लेन में कोई हेल्प नहीं है हमें किसी तरह की.
Why is Punjab being inundated, and can the accountability be really set as to who is really responsible for this kind of flooding mess?
Gurdaspur, Moga, Fazilka, Firozpur, Pathankot and Tarantaran are the worst affected in Punjab. Indian Army along with the NDRF and civil administration have been deployed for relief and rescue operations.
We are at Firozpur, Indo-Pak border, and you can see right behind me is the fencing at 50 to 100 meters, and we won't disclose the post which is, but you can see the water flowing this side as well and that side as well, because this is a Satluj river in Firozpur that flows along the borderline along the fencing, and to that side of the fencing you can see the water that has hit, the flood that has hit, and this side also you can see the fields, the crops, how it's been damaged, and 11 villages here that on the borderline are majorly affected. And this area Firozpur, there are total 100 villages that are affected, and people here were evacuated, were rescued from their homes. Still the water level is at where it was, and still people are under threat that in coming days water level can increase if the water being released from the dams.
The flood caused by incessant rain and swollen rivers have led to huge financial losses due to crop damage and livestock loss in Punjab. Chief Minister Bhagwant Mann has constituted a high-powered committee for relief work and has sought 60,000 crore rupees from the centre as relief funds.
If you like the video, do like, comment, share and subscribe. If you like the video, do like, comment, share and subscribe.